Bwe county ya Kisii negati ya barai bande nigo bono bae negati kumutaro mo senator bwe county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka senka ya ega somo cho Nairobi kumwengora kubatakana no gusiria mama mwabo homogine Teresa babirabo nigo bono bae nekire kubeka ensemo chitoba utichabo chage siasa ili kweneke bunamba chikubwatira na kwenekia homoyigoyo no chikoba oyubo morembe uyura chikomwenekeria sabari ya homogine Teresa ile ya maskani.
Sympathy of my mother, because my mother was very interesting. When she found that in Janaya we are disagreeing, she didn't want to ask me why I was disagreeing. That's why she kept on looking for you. And I'm looking for you because she just wanted you to spend some time with her so that maybe she would understand and maybe she would suggest what was happening. Number 3, I said it here the other day, Governor. My disagreement, I really like you. You are really a very nice guy. Lakini bono kuikasa chinde usoko soka. Bono watanga kaza chino moda kwa enda pande kwa matuli. Lakini ya bono yoka no namba tanga taliko enda tukwa tikini. Kijira kiumo haka. So, but we have never really hated each other. I can also see here. So it's difficult for me to manage you. Why? I hear you. Number 3, the attitude that not the attitude, a feeling in that has again changed me. I am I'm really scared of that. And my mother was very, very particular. Because there are things so I am so happy to hear Kibagendi say what he has said. It is the same thing Osoro said here. Can we go to a new Mognoyo like somebody who was dignified? To esike. Tokuwa ni point. Kama natiko wana siasa ituke. Nonya one time pingwa. Omo ndoja waka one time mbabu win. Amanya kwa ere disufuna. No rojirene timu ya But I want to say thank you, all of you. We will receive all people. We are receiving the government side. We are receiving the opposition side. We are receiving ODM. I want to say